Assalamu alaikum my dear students, how are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIVS home school. This is Sonia Joya, teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Monship, Dhaka. Today I am going to take an English language class for a student of class 2 students. And our today's topic, chapter 12, discussion and exercise 1. So my dear students, look at the board. This is class 2, subject English language, and your topic chapter 12, discussion and exercise 1, lecture number 8 and your homework number 8. And this is your teacher Sonia Joya, and this is my mobile number, and this is today's date 12/9/2021. So my dear students, let's start our today's topic. So today's topic, lesson 12, adverbs. Read how Divya did each action. Read how Divya did each action. Okay. First one is, how did Divya talk? How did Divya talk? See, she talked softly. How? Softly. How did Divya talk? She talked softly. How she talked? She talked softly. How did Divya walk? She walked slowly. So how? Slowly. How did Divya paint? She painted carefully. She painted carefully. How did Divya write? She wrote neatly. How did Divya write? She wrote neatly. How did Divya sing? She sang loudly. So here, softly, slowly, carefully, neatly and loudly tell us how actions are done. So this one, look at the board. Softly, slowly, carefully, neatly and loudly. These are tell us how action are done. How action are done. Looks like softly, slow, talk softly, walk slowly, painted carefully, wrote neatly and sang loudly. So here tell us how actions are done. This word tell us more about action words. This word tell us more about action words. So these word tell us about this action word. These are all action words. So this word tell us about these action words. We add ly to describing words to get these words. So we add ly to describing words to get these words. So soft. Soft is describing word, then we add ly. So now these words are adverb or action word. Slow is describing word, then we add ly. So we get adverbs or action word. Carefully is describing word and we add l. Careful is describing word and we add ly, and we find or we get adverb or action word. Then neat. It is also describing word. Then we add ly. Then we get action words or adverbs. And loud is also describing word. Then at last we add ly. Then we get action words or adverbs. So words ending with ly are called adverbs. So words ending with ly are called adverbs. So this softly, slowly, carefully, neatly, loudly, these all are adverbs. So when we add ly with the describing word, then we get adverb. So soft, we add ly, then we get adverb. Slow, describing word, then we add ly, then we will get adverbs. Carefully, careful plus ly, we get adverb. Carefully, neat plus ly, then we get adverb. Loud plus ly, then we get adverb loudly. Again I am saying this, softly, slowly, carefully, neatly and loudly tell us how actions are done. These words tell us more about action words. We add ly to describing words to get these words. Words ending with ly are called adverbs. Now we will start our Exercise number 1. Circle the correct adverbs to complete this sentence. So you have to circle the correct adverbs, then you will complete this sentence. So first one is done for you. How did the lion roar? The lion roared loudly. So the lion roared loudly. How did the puppy drink the milk? How did the puppy drink the milk? The puppy drank the milk quickly. Yes, the puppy drank the milk quickly. So this is our answer, quickly. The puppy drank the milk quickly. How did the tortoise crawl? The tortoise crawled slowly. Yes, the tortoise crawled slowly. So answer is slowly. Now number 4. How did Rina push the pram? Rina pushed the pram. Yes, gently. Yes, gently. So again I am saying, how did the lion roar? The lion roared loudly. How did the puppy drink the milk? The puppy drank the milk quickly. How did the tortoise crawl? The tortoise crawled slowly. How did the Rina push the pram? How did Rina push the pram? The Rina pushed the pram gently. Okay, my dear students, this is our today's homework. Okay, so this is our today's topic, adverb and exercise 1. And my dear students, your homework number 8 and your homework exercise 1. Your homework number 8 and your homework number 8 and your homework exercise 1. This is your homework, and my dear students, you have to write only this answer, like loudly, quickly, slowly, gently. So you have to write only the answer. So my dear students, I hope all of you students have understood this topic. See you again, inshallah.